The Canon EOS Rebel SL3, a top choice for beginner DSLR enthusiasts in 2025. This camera stands out with its 4K video capabilities and classic DSLR feel compete with an optical viewfinder. It's perfect for those who appreciate traditional camera handling while enjoying modern technology. The Rebel SL3 features a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor that delivers detailed photos and vibrant 4K videos. It's equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF, ensuring quick and accurate focusing. Compatible with Canon EF and EFS lenses, it offers plenty of options for expanding your photography skills. The camera also accepts SD, SDHC, and SDXC memory cards, giving you flexible storage options. This model retains the beloved design of the Rebel series, adding a user-friendly 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen for easy navigation and great selfies. The screen's flexibility makes it simple to capture the perfect shot from various angles. Whether you're recording a family event or capturing stunning landscapes, the SL3 makes it easy to create and share your favorite moments. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 excels in both still images and video, capturing fine details and vibrant colors, from rich reds to deep blues. You can even extract high-quality frames from your videos, ensuring that every memory is preserved with clarity. In a competitive world of mirrorless cameras, the Rebel SL3 remains a strong contender for those who prefer a traditional DSLR experience. Its combination of advanced features and ease of use makes it an ideal choice for newcomers eager to explore photography in its many forms. Quality stuff.